everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we are going to learn part of speech in English grammar. Okay, part of speech are the words we use in to make sentences. Okay, whenever we make sentences, then we always use part of speech, and there are 8 part of speech in English grammar. Part of speech are the main building blocks of English language. Okay. 8 part of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay, and noun. Noun is a naming word. It may be the name of places. It may be the name of people. It may be the name of anything. Okay, it denotes name. For example, my name is Junam. Junam is a noun. I'm from Tejpur, Assam. Tejpur, Assam. It is a noun of place. Okay. So, noun refers the name of anything, people, place, thing, anything. Okay. Or there are many types of noun exist in grammar. We will discuss in our next videos. In this video, I'm just going to give you introduction of part of speech. Okay, and after that we have pronoun. Pronoun we always use pronoun in the place of noun. Okay, to avoid repetition of a name. Okay, for example, if I talk about myself, then I don't repeat my name in every sentences, so that I use the help of pronoun. Even I is a pronoun. Me, pronoun. Myself, pronoun. He, she, they, these are the pronoun. Okay, pronoun are used in the place of noun to avoid repetition. And after that we have adjective. Adjective means what? Adjective gives extra information of noun and pronoun. For example, Rita is a beautiful girl. Okay, Rita is a noun, and beautiful is a pronoun. Girl is also a noun, and we can also say that she is a beautiful girl. She means pronoun. She is a pronoun. Rita is a noun. She is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is a adjective. Okay, it gives extra information of Rita. Okay, Rita is a beautiful girl. It gives extra information of Rita. So adjective always used to give the extra information of noun and pronoun. After that we have verb. Verb is an action word. It denotes action. Okay, Rita sing a song. Sing means what? She is doing something. Okay, she is singing. Singing is also an action. Okay, so it denotes action or doing something. If we are doing something, then it is come under verb. Okay, and Rita sing a song. Rita is cooking. Rita is cooking. Cooking is also a verb. Cook, sing, write, anything. Okay, and adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is also give extra information of noun, pronoun, verb, everything. Okay, we can say that Rita sing a song very beautifully. Very, here very is adverb. Okay, beautifully, ly. This is also an adverb. Okay, so the adverb also gives the extra information of noun, pronoun, verb, etc. And conjunction also join words. For example, you and me. It joins you and me. And is the conjunction here. Okay, and is a conjunction. But I want to go there, but I'm not good. I'm not feeling well. But Here but is the conjunction. Okay, so conjunction join words, sentences, phrases, and it is a joining. Preposition is used to know the relation of the words in sentences. In a sentence, if we want to know the relation of the words, then we need preposition. For example, there is a pen on the table. Pen on the table. It denotes the surface of the table. Okay, on means surface. Or I go to school. Here to is a preposition. Preposition it shows where I am going to. Okay, so to, in, on, over, by, from, of, these all are the preposition. It shows the relation of the words. Another one is interjection. Interjection, these are the sudden words or sudden. It shows the sudden emotion or sudden feelings. For example, wow, wow, how beautiful the flower is. How, wow, hurrah, alas. These kind of words. These words shows our sudden emotion, sudden feelings. We don't pre-plan those words in our mind. Okay, we use suddenly if we get this kind of situation. Okay, so these are the interjection. So these all are the part of speech. Now it's your turn. Okay, try to make some sentences, 8 sentences from the 8 part of speech. Okay, for example, make a sentence from noun. After that, make a sentence from pronoun, and after that, make a sentence from verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection. So at the end of the video, I'm going to give you some words, and you can comment me on the comment section that which part of speech these are. Okay, Sita, she, ouch, for, eat, these are. Okay, you can tell me in the comment section which part of speech these are. Okay, and this is all about today, and we will learn more in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.